Hello there, slightly different video this week. As some of you will know, I have started teaching classes on SKILLSHARE, and I've recently put up a new class where I show you how to make paper assets that you can overlay on your videos. I think this is a really cool thing to do. You can basically make the background transparent and then drop these effects on top of video for your YouTube videos or anything else that you want to create. And I just wanted to share with you that I've made this class. In the description box there will be a link to a free version, so you don't even have to sign up. You can watch this class of mine for free, see if you like what I've done, and I'm hoping to make at least 2 classes on there per month, providing I can find the time. So there will be new content coming out there as well if you're interested. I'm going to show you my introduction video for this class to help you decide if you think it's something that might be of use to you. So we're going to go straight into that now, and hopefully I will see you guys across on SKILLSHARE as well. Hey, I'm Tortor and I'm a stop motion animator with over 12 years experience in bringing things to life through animation. In this class, you're going to see how I make my paper assets that I use within my videos. These are all animated out of paper with stop motion animation. Creating your own animated paper assets like this is a really good way to add that bespoke extra touch to your videos. It's really simple. I'm going to talk you through multiple ways of animating paper, and then I'm going to go through the whole process of how to edit them and export them so that you can overlay them on your videos too. The project for this class is to simply make your own animated paper asset to overlay on your videos. This could be anything. It could be a slide coming in like I'm doing. It could be something else. You can use all of the different ideas and techniques that I give you in whichever way you feel appropriate. If you're stuck for ideas or you don't know how to do something and you need extra tips, just let me know in the project window and I'll be happy to give you more advice. So grab yourself some nice coloured paper and let's learn.